Hey guys, so today we are talking about how setting shapes the plot. The reason we're talking about this again is because it's going to be on your MLQ along with the standards of central idea and context clues. So we need to be excellent on this by next Friday when we take our test. A quick review of setting and plot. Again, you don't need to write this down because you've written it down several times before. Setting is the time and place that a story occurs, and the plot is the events in the story. So when I ask you how setting shapes plot, you need to be able to tell me how these parts of the story interact and relate to one another. Take a look at your I&M worksheet. We're going to read this quick passage. It is an excerpt from what you will be doing for your homework tomorrow night. So go ahead and read on your sheet as I read aloud. I remember everything about my first Cubs game, although it was 2 years ago. My uncle came to take me to it on a Saturday in spring, a bright sunny day. He drove a great distance from Indiana to Chicago, but we did not travel in his car to Wrigley Field. We traveled by train to the ballpark because he said traffic would be challenging. So we need to circle our characters and box our setting words. For characters, I will circle I'm the narrator, and my uncle, who is the one that takes the narrator to the game. For setting words, I box Cubs game, Saturday in spring, Chicago, and Wrigley Field, because this gives us the time and the place the story is occurring. Let's look at the rest of the passage. We purchased peanuts. We even got another hot dog, and I believe I had never eaten such a delicious hot dog. We'd hope every time a batter started out, and were disappointed as one by one they struck out and retired back to the bench. Still, it was a remarkably pleasant day with food, fine weather, and a special time with my uncle. The final score was 7-0, so in conclusion, it was 9 innings of hoping and then losing. So we were disappointed about the result, but delighted in the food and fascinated with the way each batter attempted to get a hit. Tomorrow they'll win, I'm certain, one person exclaimed. Definitely, another replied. The pitcher tomorrow is outstanding. They'll reverse course then. When we were returning, I asked my uncle, why was everyone so optimistic when the score was 0 today? How can they predict a winning performance tomorrow? That's what it means to be a Cub fan. We believe in tomorrow. When they win, it's the best. And if they lose, we expect it will get better, even though experience may tell us it won't. Every year we hope. Every game we hope. And we don't abandon hope. That's loyalty. It's about supporting your team no matter what. Cubs fans are loyal. I see what you mean. Thanks for taking me, and thanks for being loyal to me. So we're going to go ahead and answer the 2 questions on your I&M. The first is how does setting shape the plot in this story? Yesterday you wrote your own way that setting shapes the plot. Today you'll be selecting one of the multiple choice answers. When you finish with that, you can select the supporting detail. After you have finished, you can go ahead and close your Chromebook and get ready to move on for the day.